Welcome to Michigan's Upper Peninsula, often referred to by locals as God's Country. It is home to Michigan's largest waterfall, Lower Tahquamenon Falls. The falls are well known for their distinctive brown color of water that flows over the brink. That water is developed here in the headwaters of the Tahquamenon River, which winds its way through the landscape as it heads towards Lake Superior. Along the way, the water is leaching tannins from swamps of cedar, spruce, and hemlock trees. The result of that journey is a stunning 48-foot cascade of root beer at a point where the river is just over 200 feet wide. A viewing platform takes you right to the edge of the falls to take in the sight as well as the tremendous sound of the crashing water. But as you can see, the very best way to view the falls is from an aerial perspective. Surrounded by stands of both evergreens nearest the banks and hardwoods as far as the eyes can see, the fruity pebble colors of fall foliage against the dark greens make great contrasts. Add in the brown tinted water and frothy white churn of foam, and each frame of video becomes a painting in and of itself. Winters here are harsh in this area, and hardy tourists hike the roughly half-mile paved path and descend the 120 stairs to the viewing platform at the edge of the falls. The foam and spray often are frozen in place. And while the falls average about 7,000 gallons per minute, the hefty snows of the region during winter lead to incredible spring runoffs of around 50,000 gallons per minute. The sound is tremendous, and visually you quickly sense the power of the river. The volume of the water makes Tahquamenon the third largest by volume east of the Mississippi River. Niagara Falls remains at number 1. These falls are located just outside Paradise, Michigan, and send their water to Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake in the world. Lower Tahquamenon Falls aren't the only set of falls in the area. The Upper Tahquamenon Falls sit just a stone's throw away and are likewise widely visited. Here, the river divides and makes multiple cascades that you can hike to, canoe to, and even swim in during the summer. Both the upper and lower falls are found within Michigan's state park system, where a day pass to visit all state parks is only $11. So make the drive to Paradise and enjoy the sights and sounds of these Michigan treasures.